Hi friends, I am Vinod Changran. We are going to talk about Poisson distribution today. Poisson distribution is a statistical distribution that shows how many times an event is likely to occur within a specified period of time. This is also the basis for control limit formulas for C and U charts, attribute charts for defects per unit. We are going to discuss how Poisson distribution is used in a real life with an example. Let us say an organization having 48 customer complaints in a month. That means if there are 24 working days, it is going to be 48 by 24, 2 complaints per day. That is, organization receives on an average of 2 customer complaints per day. Let us see what is the probability that on a given day organization will receive 0 complaints, 1 complaint, 2 complaint, and fewer than 3 complaints in a day. So before going to calculation part of it, you will just see the formula of probability mass function. P probability of x is equal to x. In our case x 0, 1, 2, 3 equal to e raised to lambda into lambda raised to x divided by x factorial. Whereas e is natural logarithm and the value is 2.71828. Lambda average number of events in a given time. In our case it is 2. Lambda is also called the shape parameter, and in the case of Poisson distribution both mean and variance are also a lambda. So with this formula, let us see what is the probability of exactly 0 complaints in a day. So I am just putting the lambda value, as I already said, in our case it is 2, so I am putting here, and probability of x is equal to 0, so I am putting 0 here, and 0 factorial, that is 1, so I am getting 0.135, that means 13.5 percentage. Probability of exactly 1 complaint in a day. So again I am putting lambda, as I said, it is minus 2. Our x is equal to 1 means exactly 1 complaint in a day. So 1 factorial is 1. So we are getting 0.27, that is 27 percentage. Probability of exactly 2 complaints in a day. This is again I am putting the formula, and here 2 factorial means 2 into 1. So again I am getting 0.27, that means 27 percentage. Next is that probability of getting fewer than 3 complaints in a day. So that means there could be 0 complaints in that day, there could be 1 complaint in that day, there could be 2 complaints in that day, or 3 complaints in that day. So it's a cumulative probability. So what we need to do is that we have to add p x is equal to 0, that means the probability for 0 complaint, the probability for 1 complaint, 2 complaint, 3 complaint. So put together it is 85.5 percentage. So whatever we so far discussed, it is put it in a graphical form. 0 complaints is 13.5%. For 1 complaint it is 27 percentage. For 2 complaint again it is 27 percentage, and for 3 complaints it is 18 percentage. Put together we said that it is almost 85.5 percentage of complaint here. The remaining are here. So if you see here, it's almost 0. So this is what I am showing in a pictorial way or in a graphical way. Probability of all these numbers put together, it will be 1. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you have any queries, please send a mail to vinodus20140504 at gmail.com.